What's up, guys? On this video, I'm gonna go take my truck to get it lifted. It's only a 3-inch lift. It's a rough country. Has a upper control arms, the torsion keys, the shocks, and the 1-inch block for the back. The kit comes with these U-bolts, but these are small. They won't work for my truck. This is a dually. It has more leaf springs. These right here, the U-bolts are like 11-inch. They're basically like the stock ones, so they won't work. So I ordered some different U-bolts. I think these are like 14 and a half inch. So these should work. I also went and bought some camber bolts. Let me see. I bought them just in case. I don't know if I'm gonna need them or not, since these trucks are older. They might get seized up on, like the metal and stuff. So I bought these anyway. They were like $43. So that's all on this kit. Be 3 inches. The back just one, but honestly don't even feel like I need it. It's already 3 inches higher in the back than it is in the front. I wanted to do it myself, but I've seen videos where people are struggling with the torsion bars and stuff like that, so I'd rather just pay somebody to do it. Section, you can't even see if I got a green light or where. Assuming it's that one.
At the light, turn right onto Maxi Road.
Alright, so it's somebody's house. Saw his work because one of my neighbors has 2 lifted trucks by him. I think he might be pretty good at it. Alright, guys, so I just got my truck. I didn't want to record inside that guy's house because he looked kind of serious, so I didn't want to be disrespectful and whatnot. But once I pull over, maybe right now I'm trying to pull over at a gas station or something.
Turn left.
And I'll show you guys. It definitely looks a lot more lifted than 3 inches. And I'm sitting a lot higher up here. So I like the size of the lift. You know, 3 inches was, I think, more than enough for what I needed. Alright, guys, so there it is. That's how it looks. Looks pretty stout, like pretty, like, I don't know, more aggressive, even though it's still on stock tires. On this side, it's still the same camber bolts, the new upper control arms, the shocks. When I bought the camber bolt kit, I didn't realize it was only one pair. So this side has new camber bolts, which you really did need, because the guy said that when he was removing the bolt, it was stuck, so he had to cut it off. So it worked out anyway. I might change out the other side so everything looks the same. So I'm planning on doing 24s with 35s. So most likely I have to remove this. And I'll probably have to cut here, but I believe I can still raise the, let me see, the torsion keys to get up a little bit higher. higher. But yeah, that's how it looks, man. I really like it. If I had a measuring tape, I'll measure right here, the gap. Compare to the back. Things a little bit taller in the front, so I am gonna have to add that 1-inch block. Guys, so I did the lift in the back, the 1-inch block, but I didn't have a chance to record. I was kind of busy helping out customers and getting back to the truck, so it was gonna be hard for me to be recording and whatnot. But right now I'm gonna head to the tire shop. I went earlier, dropped off the wheels and tires, but I forgot to leave my adapters there so they could balance them. So I'm going there now, and I'm gonna just be there and wait till they finish with them to get them installed on the truck. Kind of excited to see how it's gonna look. Can you tell I need an alignment? It's kind of crooked, so I need to do that too. I don't know who to go for my alignment though, because I know most of these alignment shops, they're not going to be able to do like the 24-inch wheels on 35s. Some say they're too wide for the lifts or whatnot, so I'm going to have to call around and find somebody, because I do need an alignment. Tire shop right there. Check my work, make sure my U-bolts look okay. So far so good. The mud flaps. Pretty simple, 3 screws, that 1 bolt. Off. I need to go to the other side. My wheel caps.